Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today we have another case unboxing, and this time we have a Hot Wheel Premium case. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. We got 10 Hot Wheel Premium cars in here, and it is the case C. As you can see right there. So let's go ahead and cut this open. But before we go ahead and really get into the box itself, I do want to mention I'm still doing a giveaway on my store. So it's going to be for this Hot Wheel RLC AMC Javelin AMX. This does go till the end of the month, and if you guys want to get entered to win that giveaway, definitely go check out my shop. It's going to be shopmtparadise.com, or there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can just go down and click on that. It'll be super quick, super easy. But definitely you don't want to miss out on it. There's 30,000 of these in the world, and this is number 213. So very low production number on that as well. So it's definitely a really cool car to collect. It's also really cool looking, super detailed. So yeah, I don't want to miss out on that, but I'm giving it away for free. So definitely check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. There's a little piece of cardboard here on the top. And let's go ahead and start right up on top here, which there's not a chase car in this because it's a pop culture, but wow. We are starting off with the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from Gran Turismo. This thing looks absolutely amazing. I know this is one that like everybody was freaking out about and a lot of people really wanted. I'm probably going to keep this in my personal collection to collect because I think this is like one of my favorite cars. At least one of my favorite Japanese cars. But wow, look at that thing. And then this case does have multiples of every car. So here we go. We got two of them there. And man, what a case to be able to get something so epic and so awesome. But put down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. Like I said, I think that thing is absolutely amazing. But let's go ahead and pull out what's next. Oh, this is an amazing car. We got the Mutz Cuts van. It is the van from Dumb and Dumber, as you can see it right there. It is the van that looks like the dog that's seen like in the beginning of the movie. I think that thing is so cool. Actually, they do have it throughout the majority of the movie, now I think about it. But wow, even has like the little dog legs coming down that kind of blocks the tire. That is so cool. I really like how detailed Hot Wheels made that. You got the whole face right there. The windshield kind of has like the fur coming down. Got the ears, like the leg right here, and then a little tail. But they did an amazing job with that. Wow, that is really cool. Let me know what you guys think of that as well. Man, and all that whole top piece is all metal, because with Hot Wheel Premium cars, they are metal tops, metal bottoms. So to be all metal and that detailed actually looks pretty good. And then let's pull the other one out. Man, even that weight, that is super heavy just holding those two cars. I will actually have some of these available on my store. So if you guys are interested, I will have, probably not the R34, but I will have like the Dumb and Dumber car. And all the other cars in this, I will have at least one on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. And if you guys do pick up one of those, you do automatically get entered into the giveaway. Just saying, so you don't want to miss out on that. But let's see what else is next. Wow, we got the Gran Turismo Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. Holy cow. Until I looked at the top of this thing, I saw it from the side and I'm like, wow, that looks really cool. And then I looked at the top and that just looks so mean and so aggressive. Man, look at that. You got that giant wing there in the back. Got all the arrow, got the cool decals there. Got the canards in the front corner. Even has a giant front splitter as well. That looks absolutely amazing. Wow, I kind of wish Hot Wheels made this in mainline. I know they did have R35 in mainline that was, I believe, like I think it was Gran Turismo, but it doesn't look that like kind of crazy and that detailed. But then again, this is a Hot Wheel Premium, so they are a little bit more. But yeah, if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, I definitely have it available on there. And the other one here. All right, next up we have, this one's kind of cool. It's the Dairy Delivery, and it's a MTV themed, and it's a kind of like a big giant like kind of milk delivery looking van. It's really cool. You got the little MTV with the astronaut there. You got the astronaut floating in space, MTV logo, and then even the top of it has like a whole bunch of like little astronaut helmets kind of all cluttered together. And then those wheels are crazy. It's like the big chrome disc. That looks really amazing, actually. Wow, let me know what you guys think of that. Let's see if there's any other details that I'm kind of missing, but I kind of like a little bit of the moon pattern back behind the astronaut there, so that's pretty cool. And then the final car is going to be the Beavis and Butt Head 77 Packin Pacer. This thing looks pretty interesting. Also has an MTV logo there on the back, but boom, there it is. Have them watching TV, and then there's the car right there. That thing is pretty wild. And like I said, there's an MTV logo right there. But man, those wheels look pretty cool too. And then you got both of them featured on the door. This thing looks definitely like it'd be straight out of the show. Man, that looks really cool. If you guys are interested in picking this up as well, we'll have that on my shop. Man, this is kind of cool, just like being able to see some of these cars up close. You got two different wheel sizes too, which looks pretty funny. But wow. So that is the Hot Wheels C case for the Hot Wheels Premium cars, and I think they all look pretty cool. But like I said, the majority of these, actually 4 out of the 5, will be on my site. So definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. But also just let me know which one is your favorite out of all these. I think it was pretty cool getting the couple Gran Turismo cars. And then you got all the other kind of movie. Actually, the entire set is all movie and game themed. I mean, you got Beavis and Butt Head, MTV, Gran Turismo, Dumb and Dumber. And so one's Gran Turismo. And this is Gran Turismo 7. But I think all these are absolutely amazing. But like I said, let me know which one is your favorite. But don't forget my giveaways. There'll be a link in the description down below. Check it out and get it while you can. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. A whole bunch of other Hot Wheel videos coming all the time. So definitely subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching.